My name is Miss Sam, and today we will learn about the water cycle. The water cycle consists of four main steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. First, the sun heats up water from oceans, rivers, and lakes. The water turns into tiny droplets in the form of vapors. Tiny droplets in the form of vapors rise up in the air. This process is called evaporation. As the water droplets in the form of vapors cool together to form clouds, this process is called condensation. Clouds get darker and heavier. Clouds release water in the form of rain. This process is called precipitation. In the collection process, water from precipitation accumulates in rivers, lakes, oceans, and underground reservoirs, ready to start the water cycle process. Can you name each step of the water cycle and explain the process in your own words? That's how the water cycle keeps our planet hydrated and thriving. A perfect example of nature's balance. Keep exploring nature's wonders.